Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we would see how you can add audio to your slide and how you can sync different screen elements as per the audio. Adding audio in Storyline is very simple. We can go to the Insert option, and under the Media, you have the option of Audio. Click on Audio. Now you have two options. If you already have the audio file, you can select Audio from File. And if you would like to do some recording, you can click on Record Mic. In our case, we already have the audio file, so I can click on Audio from File, and then I can browse and select the location where I have kept my audio. I can select that, click on Open, and if you see the timeline, the audio file is seen here. Now, I have already placed 5 bullets on the screen. Now the challenge for us would be to make these elements appear along with the audio. Now in Storyline we have something called as cue points. So you can play the audio and press the alphabet C, and it keeps marking the cue points in the audio, and then all you need to do is move different elements as per the cue points. Now before you start doing this, there is one setting that I would like you to check, and that is to make sure you have the slider or the seek bar enabled. To check that, go to Player Settings. Under Player, you have the option called Seek Bar. You can make sure this button is checked. The moment you check this, you can see that the seek bar is available. So click OK, and now you have the option to play this audio by clicking the play button. Now place your finger on the alphabet C, and the moment you hear the screen elements such as CPU, monitor, keep pressing C and the cue points would appear. So let's start. I have clicked on the play button.
The parts of the computer include CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer.
Okay, so now as the audio was being played, I kept on pressing the alphabet C, and if you can see here, we have different cue points marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now to make sure the text appears along with the audio, just move it and put it as per the cue point. So the CPU is for the first cue point, then I have monitor for the second, keyboard for the third, mouse for the fourth, and let's move it a little bit up so we can place the printer. Now this is the manual way of doing it. You can even right click and you can say align to cue point and select the number. So you have both the options of manually dragging it or making it according to the option by clicking right click and then selecting the cue point when you want this to appear. Now let's preview our course and see how it looks like. So I can go to preview this slide.
The parts of the computer include CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer.
Okay, so here as we see, the on-screen text appeared in sync with audio. You can close the preview button and you would be back to the main screen. So you see how simple it is to sync the screen elements. If you have some images, if you have some text, bullets, everything can be aligned to the cue points. So thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.